What's going on, Deep Dive Spear Crew? Brock here, working on the 1973 222. Today I'm going to take my Coosa that I have cut out and get it laminated to my transom. I'm going to get this cleaned up with some acetone. I've got some chop strand mat that I'm going to put on here, put the epoxy resin in there, mix up some more thickened resin also to kind of fill in some of these low spots. I'm also going to take the poly resin and hot coat the back of the Coosa. I want to make sure it's good and wetted out before I actually try to apply it to the chop strand back here. I'll get thicken up some also to put in these corners right here, and then I'll get it clamped up. Here we go. So I got that on there. I got the first coat poly on there, and I'm gonna put some chop strand mat and then start wetting it out. I got that wetted out, and I'm going to mix up some thickened resin for the corners, and then for the Coosa to bed in the bottom of the transom. So what I'm using to make some thickened epoxy is this Total Boat this silica. Stuff's pretty nasty. It floats up in the air, so make sure you got some good coverage, sleeves and gloves, and a respirator on whenever you start dumping it out.
Yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces.